Oh, hell no. How are you doing, everybody? My name is Chris Chaos, and welcome back to some more bullshit, which is Cat Mario. So without further ado, I'm gonna just jump right into this bad boy. Oh, I don't really want to, but I will. I unlocked the third level, and we're gonna play and see. Okay, 3 lives. The lives are bullshit in this game. Okay, so what do I do here? I am not clicking that. Let's see how far I can make it. And fuck me. Fucking the controls. Okay, my major issue, my biggest issue with video games are the goddamn controls. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Where the fuck are you going? This game is already pissing me off. Okay. Something jumped here. Don't. Just move for me, please. What the f- Oh! Fuck me in the ass. Don't get that, please. No. Why is this game being such a piece of shit to me? Move. No. Jump. Jump. What? Is there anything over here? Oh my god, you trolling piece of shit. 0 lives. Now I know what I'm gonna do with my life. Oh, fuck me. Ah, this is going off to a great start. Yep. It's going off to a really good start. Oh my god. Jump high. It's like I have to hold down the key on my keyboard so goddamn hard. Just so... Oh my god. The time I want you to jump, you don't jump. You little bitch. Okay, actually, you know what? I want to know what's in here. A flower. What does that do? Oh! That's what it does. Fucks me. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. Apparently, the game was like bugging out very badly, so I restarted it. Hopefully, he'll actually move and do what I want him to do, which is just be a son of a bitch to me. Move, 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 move. There. Now we got a box. Oh my god! Stop! Controls! The controls are so goddamn difficult. This is why I hate rage games. How do I get up there? How? Do I have to break that? Fuck me! Controls. That's the #1 thing in video games that piss me off to the point that I want to strangle myself. You gonna fuck me over? Cockflopper! Right? Stop moving. Yeah, no, he did. Oh no, I'm just gonna go fucking left and fuck you. God damn it! This is such horseshit penis dicks. Shut fuck. Oh, bitch. Hold on, I think I might have something here. Run. Jump. What the fuck are you doing? Calm your tits. Oh my god. There is something there. You trolling piece of shit. Stop! Jumping! Oh my god! Fucking... Oh my god, you burn in hell. Okay. Can I jump on these? Oh my god. Ah! Minus 10 deaths. Jump! Fuck! Me in the anus. Fuck me in the anus. Where are you going? Where the hell do you think you're going? My goodness gracious, man. Jump! Jump! Oh my god, piece of shit! Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the star comes out and no one's like, hey, guess what? I'm not your friend, bitch! Jump! Oh my god. I don't know what to... Oh my god! Oh, I feel like I'm gonna get a fucking brain aneurysm. Whoever designed this game, I want to hurt them. Jump. What? What? It then shoots me back! Oh my god, I just want to stop playing this goddamn game. Oh my god, how the fuck did I do that? I don't know. I'm out of here, bitch! Jump! Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, stop! Wait, can you calm your tits? Oh my god! I'm so close! Oh, back to this horse shit. Oh my god, the controls. I have never played a game with such frustrating controls. Cat Mario is on the list. Okay, here there's nothing dangerous. Okay, all I need to do... Jump! Yes! Thank God! A checkpoint. And I just walk right into his butt and die. Alright. I'm a little bit happier. Because I got a checkpoint. What the hell does that thing do? Who the hell... Of course! The controls! I'm just gonna walk off the goddamn edge like a goddamn idiot! I'm gonna wait for Mr. Cube McGee. Are you serious? Oh god. This one jumps with you. No! Piss off! I got another one. What? What? It doesn't. The one that I broke is the only way up there. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my god, the controls. I hate the controls. Is there anything I hate in a game? It's controls. Oh my god, what the hell was that? They looked like French fries. Will you stop? God damn it! Piss! Everybody wanted to see me rage out. Here we go! We're raging here. I did the same goddamn thing again. This game's gonna give me a heart attack. No, okay, there's no possible way I can do that. Okay? Let's put that out there. My theory's out the window. Stop moving. My god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Jump! Oh my Jesus Christ. What in the actual fuck was that? I just got launched like 10,000 meters into the goddamn sky. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say about that. This game is a trolling piece of shit. I didn't even touch you. No touchy. God damn it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually made it down here. Are you fucking kidding me? I know what to do now. Except for that stupid ass. I'm an idiot. Okay, so the turtle up there, I need to push him over to kill that box-looking piece of shit. And then I can actually go over. Oh my god. Yes! I did it! I can't believe I actually did it! Please don't troll me. Please don't troll me. Level 4. Okay. Okay, just stop. Stop for a second. Okay. This was too much on me, okay? My stress level is so goddamn high right now, you won't even believe it. It's like I'm on crack cocaine. Don't do crack cocaine. It's bad, kids. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like or a comment in the bottom below. Subscribe if you want. And I'll see all you lovely people in the next video. Bye-bye.